The standing seam is a fully supported roofing and cladding system. Panels have a 25mm high seam and are typically 430mm centre to centre in 0.8mm VMZINC on a facade. One side of the panel has an L or male leg and the other a U or female leg. Two types of stainless clips are used, a fixed one-piece clip and a sliding two-piece clip which allows for thermal movement. The clips fix the male leg and the female leg of the next panel is then placed over the top. The seam is then closed to a single lock using a first closer. This allows the zinc to sit a little flatter on the facade. For roofing, a double lock must be used. Take care to install all panels with the same rolling direction. As the single lock is being used, it is possible to use only one-piece fixed clips. By notching the zinc, the panel can no longer slide down. Panels may have to be cut to width and then profiled using a folder depending on the width of the window. A 20mm upstand is created at the sill and a 30mm fold for the base. The zinc can be cut using shears or a grinder. When folding the zinc, care should be taken so as not to damage the panel, and the use of a wooden block can assist here. The window sill is then folded using the appropriate dimensions and installed. The jambs and window head then receive the flashing strips and the window jamb is installed over the top. The head flashing is screwed into place. The window jamb is crimped into the standing seam, which is aligned with the window. The head flashing is then fitted. A 30mm head is folded onto the panels above the window. The seams are crimped and the film is removed. This is a method for installing seams that follow the window jambs.